By 2025, 50% of video games will incorporate AI-driven features, revolutionizing player experiences. AI is reshaping gaming, with its market projected to reach $38 billion by 2034, driven by personalized experiences. Developers face challenges balancing creativity with algorithmic efficiency and player satisfaction in AI integration. AI enables procedural content generation, dynamically creating levels and environments. PCG accounts for 40% of AAA game content. NPCs are becoming more intelligent and responsive, adapting to player strategies with unique personalities. AI personalizes experiences by analyzing player behavior, tailoring difficulty and narratives to playstyles. In Campfire, players spent 5 times longer talking to AI characters than playing, leading to AI-native games. From enhanced NPCs to personalized narratives, AI transforms gaming, promising immersive worlds for developers and players. Share thoughts on AI and gaming in the comments, and check our previous video on upcoming releases.